Croeso. Hello, my name is Ali D'Souza. I am the head of drama performance here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. What sets us apart here at the college is the sense of community. You'll be working alongside lots of other wonderful artists, stage managers, musicians, designers of lighting and set and costume. You're all creating together, learning together in this wonderful community.
The facilities here are at a professional standard, and as a student, when you eventually go out into the big world, any theatre that you go into will be at the same standard. Because of the rehearsal spaces we have at the college, we are able to rehearse in different styles and perform in different spaces. You can perform in a black box theatre, which is in the Cerdd. If you're in the Butte, you'll sometimes perform in the Round. And if you're in the Burton, you'll perform on a stage like this.
Collaboration is at the heart of what we do. In the final year, you join the Richard Burton Company and you work with technical students and design students in professional settings. A really good example of that is the new season. We commission 4 acclaimed writers and new talent, and we bring together the actors, the stage managers and the designers all together working with a professional director, and those productions go on in Cardiff and in London. The training feels like an extension to the profession itself, so by the time you graduate, you'll have been used to working the way the industry actually works.
I wouldn't say there's a style of the Royal Welsh College student, but I do see a work ethic that is very, very strong, very professional, focused, collaborative in the way that they approach the work. And when I'm working, if I see a new young actor, I've always said, I wonder if they've trained at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. And 9 times out of 10, if they're great, they have.
For me, the training has to be up to date and relevant. So that means that we work with a wide range of voices and writers to make sure that the stories we tell are reflecting the world out there. Our staff are active professionals, and we bring in top directors, visiting artists, emerging new talent to work with our students. And that means that the training we give is current, rooted and inclusive in today's TV, film and theatre industries. Your training is built on a core of skills, and that's then moved into professional contexts.
There's such a strong commitment to the students here, and really, really encouraging every student to bring out what is uniquely theirs. It's what is you that we can hone to its maximum potential. It's a really great place to train.
As a year group, MAs and BAs, we come together and we have big Zoom sessions with casting directors, so we can ask them about latest projects, what it's like to be casted on stage versus screen, what the audition process is like. So that's very useful, specifically if you want to go into a project.
Our success is shown in our graduates. You will see them everywhere on the big screen and the little screen. Anything you watch on TV and Netflix and all the streamers, our graduates are there. And you will also see them in all the big theatres in Wales, but also nationally, the National Theatre, the RSC, the Globe and in the West End. Cardiff is a welcoming, affordable, creative city, very cost effective for a student. It is the 2nd biggest media centre in the UK, next to London. That means that you have lots of opportunities to work in film and television, as well as in theatre. We are one of the leading drama schools in the UK. So if you're ready to take the next steps in your career, this is the place for you.